Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Why do homeopathic doctors ask so many questions? I'm sure those who have gone for homeopathic consultation would have had this question in your mind that why do homeopathic doctors ask so many questions, right? So here I am today to tell you that why do we ask so many questions? Without any further delay, let's begin. First one is holistic approach. As you all know, homeopathy has a holistic approach. That is, we treat the patient not only for the disease, but we treat the patient as a whole. So in order to treat the patient as a whole, we need to know the person as a whole, for which detailed case taking is necessary. So questions are asked regarding diseases in detail, that is the exact location, duration, intensity, frequency, sensation, the factors which increases the symptom, factors which decreases the symptom, and many more. Other than that, questions about other general symptoms are asked, that is mainly about the appetite, the thirst, bowel movements, symptoms related to urination, then what the person likes to eat and what the person does not like to eat, that is nothing but desire and aversions. Then we also ask about the sleep patterns, about the dreams, about sweating, about the body's reaction towards the environment, and also about lifestyle and habits of the person. Then questions are asked related to the mental symptom, that is stress level, fear, anxiety, emotional response to a particular situation, the thought pattern. So the aim here is to get the complete picture of a person as a whole. Second one is individualized treatment. So already I had mentioned in the introductory video that there is a concept called as individualization in homeopathy. That is, every person is different even in disease. And the medicines are based on these unique peculiar symptoms. So we tend to find these peculiar unique symptoms for which detailed case taking is needed. Third one is root cause identification. Homeopathy treats the disease from its root cause and not only in the superficial level. So to know or to find out the root cause of the disease, a detailed history is necessary. And for this we ask about the past history, such as past medical history, that is what and all illness he had in the past, or is there any recurring condition which he is having, or any history of injury. Next is family history, to know the genetic predisposition or any hereditary illnesses which is running in the family. Next, about trauma or stress. Any past emotional trauma or any major event or incident which has affected the person, or long-term stress or any environmental factors which might have triggered the condition. To uncover the underlying cause or trigger of illness, these details are necessary. Fourth one is remedy arrival. So these minute details about the disease as mentioned earlier, such as location, sensation, the modifying factors, all these minute details will help a homeopathic doctor to arrive at the correct remedy. And also sometimes the remedy or the medicine is based on personality traits and emotional reaction of the person. Hence, we take a proper detailed case in order to arrive at the correct remedy that is suitable for that person. Fifth one is build good rapport. So when we ask all these, a proper detailed case is taken, then automatically a good rapport is built with the patient. And once good rapport is built, we develop a kind of connection with the patient. And once we connect with the patient, then we can treat the patient better. First consultation with the homeopath is often long because of the detailed case taking. But by asking so many questions, a homeopathic doctor can assure you treatment which is personalized, which addresses the root cause and helps the patient achieve overall well-being. So these are the 5 main reasons why a homeopathic doctor asks so many questions. I hope I have answered your question and now you know that why we do a detailed case taking. I hope this video was useful, informative. If it was, do share it with your friends and family and spread awareness about homeopathy. If you have any doubts or any questions, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.